Hey, what's up, Kenneth? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and watch it. I had spoke to Gloria earlier this afternoon or morning about sending you guys just a quick video on some things you could do to help improve traffic through your website to bring in more business. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video, I've found that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. And typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. When we give these attack plans out for free, though, people will still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, Kenneth, you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could be a benefit to you guys' business. Definitely let me know and we can talk more about it. And if you guys just wanted to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works fine with me too. I just want to help you guys out as all. So the things I want to go over real quickly is just how to make your website more of an authority, how to make you guys more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's map pack, okay? So starting off by looking at your website, I like the theme, like purple and green go good together. Nice big logo, you got links to your socials, a bunch of service pages. You guys are doing like moving in the right direction. The website overall looks good. Okay, so the first thing I notice is, again, touching on being authoritative in the eyes of Google, the average homepage has 1,800 words. So to be considered authoritative, they want to see you sitting between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage and at least 500 words per back page, if not more. So that would definitely benefit you guys quite a bit. Just to kind of go over to one of your bigger competitors, I know you guys are in azle, but it mentions Fort Worth on your website too. So if you had any interest in dominating Fort Worth, these are good guys to kind of mimic basically. But you can see their website's not looking, it's not even super pretty or anything like that. They have a lot more content though. And these guys are ranking number one in a bunch of different for a bunch of different keyword searches for Fort Worth. So if you guys were to go and add about 1,000 words of content to your homepage, you guys already are going to be in a standing to kind of compete with these guys for the Fort Worth market. And real quick too, one thing before I move on to trust, what you use? Oh wait, sorry, not link. What you guys save your images as? See how that just says logo? You can go through and save that as a keyword, right? That can be like Azle, Texas HVAC repair or Fort Worth HVAC contractor, right? Each one of your images can be saved as a keyword. So that's a big thing. It'll help give you guys some more power as well. Touching on how to make it more trustworthy, I'm moving over to a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Pay about $1,000 a month for it, but it just gives us really valuable data that goes on in the back end of your websites and kind of lets us know what your competitors are doing correctly. That way we can help give you guys a fighting chance, basically. But how to make your website more trustworthy is based on how many other relevant websites you guys have linking back to you, right? And we can see that in these referring domains. So you guys have 13. That's a good start. Just make sure moving forward, the biggest thing here is that you guys aren't going and getting backlinks from spammy websites. They need to be relevant to your business. Like, for example, Google doesn't want to see pizza companies pointing back to you because you guys do HVAC. You don't make pizzas, right? So just make sure any of these backlinks you guys are getting moving forward are relevant to your industry. And again, we'll go over here. We got Fort Worth Air over here as well. Let me see some of the backlinks they have. Let's see if we can find some good ones just to give you guys an idea real quick. Okay. City locals probably a directory. Honestly, these guys actually have a lot of spammy ones too. So I don't know if I'd follow their example in this aspect, but yeah, just make sure any backlinks you guys get moving forward are relevant to your industry, or you'll offset this ratio, and that's not a very trustworthy website. But you can see these guys are doing something correctly because they're getting 700 people a month to their website, and they're ranking for 308 keywords. Okay. Um, so, and that, I guess, just to kind of touch on the keyword a bit too, you guys were ranking for some of the ones in azle. But if you had any interest in taking over the Fort Worth market, you'll see these guys are in the first position for all of these buyer intent keywords for Fort Worth, like AC repair Fort Worth. They're getting 200 people a month search for that keyword alone, and these guys are seeing about 68 people come specifically to their website. And same goes, you go down the list. These are buyer intent keywords you guys would want to have if, adding content on your homepage and adding these keywords in there. You guys are going to steal some of this traffic and actually go head to head with these guys, take some more business. Okay. The last thing is just how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's map pack. This is really simple because statistically, when people search things like HVAC contractor Fort Worth and they're not being referred to you guys or they don't already know you, they're going to skip these ads because they either A, just don't want to go through ads, or they have ad blockers so they don't see them to begin with. And a lot of business winds up going to these people that are ranked in these top 3 spots right here. All that's based on is how many citations you have. And all a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor. Facebook is even one. So literally all you need to do is go find the exact same directories that these guys are in and add yourself to the same ones and about 50 more on top. And that would get you guys ranked in one of these top 3 spots here. And you could definitely expect a boost in traffic that way as well. But yeah, Kenneth, that's pretty much all I got. I know it was a lot of information. Just a quick recap again, content is king. You guys' website looks great. You're going to have a better chance at ranking for more keywords if you add about 1,000 words of content on your homepage, maybe even 1,200. Save your images as keywords as well. Again, another opportunity to sneak some power in for yourself. Make sure moving forward, any of the backlinks you guys get, they need to be relevant to your industry, or you guys are going to shoot yourself in the foot that way. And then go and add this, get the same citations that these other guys have, and you guys are going to get ranked locally in this Google Map pack. So that's all I got, Kenneth. I'll get this video over to you shortly. Again, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you had any comments, questions, concerns, wanting to know what we might be able to do to help you guys out, definitely give me a call back. I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. And again, if you just want to take it and run with it yourself, that works for me too. My name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391, 682-269-6391. Thanks, Kenneth. Y'all have a good one. Bye.